I never thought there'd be a time while I was building this channel, The Excellent Laborer, that I would end up in a position like this. It hits me in kind of a bittersweet kind of feel. It's not really what I truly wanted, but it is an opportunity that I probably can't pass up. And people that know me personally know that I'm a very opportunistic person. And that's what drew me to YouTube as it is you get all these opportunities thrown at you left and right, and the ability to work for yourself and make a living that surpasses many typical careers. So with that being said, it's always been a goal of mine to help as many people as I want. So with what's about to happen in the future, possibly, it might not directly align with my goal of the channel, but I think it still would be something that is very beneficial to the general public. So I received this in the mail. So I'm going to read this to you, and it's going to change the channel forever, possibly. I don't know what I'm going to do moving forward with this, but I'll read to you what I have here, and then I'm going to give you my final thoughts. Let's go with it. Dear The Excellent Laborer, we at Lowe's are thrilled to have the opportunity to connect with you and express our admiration for the amazing work that you do on YouTube with your YouTube channel. Your videos are an inspiration to the DIY enthusiasts everywhere, and we believe that your expertise and creativity would be an invaluable resource for our customers. After much discussion and consideration, we would like to make an exciting proposal to you. We are interested in purchasing your YouTube channel, The Excellent Laborer, as a resource for our customers who are interested in DIY projects. We believe that this partnership would be mutually beneficial, and we are excited about the potential to reach a wider audience with your content. As part of this deal, we would like to offer you a lifetime position to continue supporting the channel memberships portion of the channel, where you can continue to produce content for the paid members. We would also like to extend an exclusive offer to your existing channel members, providing them with the opportunity to become members of the Lowe's community and receive exclusive benefits and potential offers on our products. We understand that you have worked hard to build a loyal following, and we recognize the value of this community. Therefore, we would like to ensure that your existing followers receive the same level of engagement and benefits as they do now. We will work with you to create seamless transition for your community to become part of the Lowe's community, while ensuring that they continue to receive the same level of value and engagement that they have come to expect. We believe that your channel would be a perfect fit for our brand, and we are excited about the potential to work together to provide our customers with the best resources and expertise to help them complete their DIY projects with confidence. We are committed to ensuring that this partnership is a success, and we look forward to exploring this opportunity further with you. We understand that this may come to a surprise to you, but we assure you that this is a genuine offer. We are committed to providing our customers with the best resources and expertise to help them complete their DIY projects with confidence, and we believe that your channel will be the perfect fit for our brand. We appreciate your time and consideration, and we hope that you will see the potential in this exciting opportunity. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Sincerely, Lowe's. So, April Fools. The channel's not for sale. This ain't gonna happen. This was a total April Fool's joke. But I did want to say I appreciate all my subscribers that stuck with me from the beginning till now. I went over several DIY projects, and I'm very thankful for the community that I got. And I just wanted to throw out a little light-hearted April Fool's joke out there. And I want to say thank you guys for watching my channel, and I hope you have a great April Fool's Day.